Probably the most common question we got during our last 10x shift workshop wasn't about agents. It wasn't about AGI. It wasn't about trillion-dollar companies. It was much simpler. People kept saying, okay, I get it. Where do I actually start? And most people start with in the wrong place. They start with AI, they start with tools, they start with technology. But I think that's backward because the transformation doesn't start with AI. It starts with where you have friction in your organization. When leaders get excited about AI, their instinct is to buy tools, deploy agents, experiment with the latest model. Okay. But technology without context just creates faster chaos. And one of the biggest mistakes I see is people trying to transform their entire company, which is overwhelming. You don't need to transform everything. You don't need 100 agents. You don't need to redesign the entire organization. You need to start much smaller. Because transformation doesn't begin with technology, it begins with problems you have. Where are their friction points? Okay. By the way, if you haven't read The Organizational Singularity, I'll put a link below because we unpack these ideas much more deeply there. Okay. Let me go back to this idea. The right place to start is friction. Where are your customers complaining? Where are employees complaining? Where does the work get slowed down? Where are people frustrated? What if you could would launch 10x more growth, more sales, more fulfillment? Okay. Where do people in your organization spend tons of time doing stuff they hate? Because those frustrations or clues, they reveal the workflows. Maybe it's a lead qualification, maybe it's proposal generation, maybe it's reporting, maybe it's customer support, maybe it's invoicing. For me, the actual hell, my actually it was actual writing. And when I was able to use AI to help me do writing, it completely changed the game, right? Maybe it's invoicing, maybe it's sales follow through. Those aren't problems, those are opportunities. And one of the best questions that leaders can ask today is where does the work feel heavier than it should? Because that's where the transformations should begin. Start where people complain. We've actually built an entire Claude skill to help people think through workflows and redesign them. The link will be below. It's free. Okay. And the mistake see people making is they're taking broken workflows and trying to automate it. And they think they're transforming, but they're not. They're accelerating the bottlenecks. They're accelerating the very problem because AI accelerates your architecture. So if the architecture is broken, AI helps you fail faster. Okay. Bill Cushard, during one of our sessions, said, and I love this phrase. He said, "Aren't we just automating the bottleneck?" Because most companies are not transforming; they're automating their bottlenecks. They're paving the cow path. Okay, they're taking inefficient processes and making them run faster. Faster bureaucracy is still bureaucracy. Faster approvals are still approvals, and faster complexity is still complexity. Most companies aren't transforming; they're automating their bottlenecks. They're going through human-centric workflows that worked in the 20th century. It does not work in the 21st century, and I think this is where people become overwhelmed because they think transformation means changing everything. But nobody transforms organizations. Nobody wakes up Monday morning and says, let's transform the company. It happens one workflow at a time, one bottleneck, one lesson, one win at a time. Okay. And eventually those small changes compound into something much, much bigger, especially if you're a small organization and can move a little bit nimbly. The question isn't how do I transform my organization? The question is what's my one workflow that I can improve this month? Okay, because people transform workflows, they don't transform organizations. If you're wondering where to start, again, don't start with AI. Start with friction. Start where people complain. Start where customers get frustrated. Where does the work slow down? Pick one workflow, get one win, learn, and then repeat. If you'd like help working through that process with other leaders and entrepreneurs, this is why we created this 10x Shift workshop. We do it monthly because transformation doesn't happen overnight, but it does begin with one first step. Let us know what you think in the comments. We actively read them and it helps us shape future content around what you find valuable. Please like the video and subscribe to support the channel.